more this son, not be here.
Well done.
Well done, sir.
Well done. So now you the load.
I mean the next. On my turn.
I go Ekpe.
Ekpe na 7,000 naira. 7.
Ekpe.
Na the amount.
I know the one that they call price for this park. The one that they call price. Ekpe yeah. Say 7 waiting.
And 7,000. That's a Ekpe yeah where they call. So why you no buy your motor to go there? Ekpe yeah. Ekpe here. Na 7,000 naira would they collect for here. Hold up and everything they ruled.
The one that they call price for this not useless park. The thing they shock me.
Yele bobo boy shout you will. I say Ekpe na say okay bring 5,000 would they go time not there.
Well, no problem. I might give 4,000.
Oh, good they kill you. 4,000. I say na 5,000 for Ekpe. Hold up the road now.
Don't worry, for the hold up, I'll give you. I'll put 500. No go 4-5.
Yele. The boy ya oti ya wiri. See, now 5,000 last price until they go Ekpe. If you know they go, I better go enter the next motor.
Uno they behave anyhow for this park. Anyhow. Chop your motor, chop the motor, swallow the motor, make belly full. Sir, person B. This might be the useless law I want to put for this park. What am I use the motor to do? See motor now, sir.
Now my motor is a knock like that, so I go beat you.
See motor now, sir.
You know how much they set tire?
Rubbish.
Now people no get money now. Then they make noise fast. Come on, enter motor, move the go. Enter. AC not there.
But wait.
The boy ya will sha. Go instead where you go use all the shower where they carry. Why you not take the money take buy motor?
Why you move this thing?
And you, I not going to give you a CC.
You say wetin? You don't know me. You don't know me. Magba leti.
What? I dey craze o. My way dey pass your own o. I run comot for psychiatric hospital. The doctor wey treat me, I buy am for here. You don't follow me to that one.
You never see Were. You don't know anything. Now me get Yaba left, man. They tell you. Now me get Yaba left.
See this one. Which word you take for Yaba left? Which word?
The last word. Rubbish.
Because say we dey drive motor, we dey drive.
My friend say concentrate and drive.
Because say we dey drive taxi, una think say we no know wetin we dey do.
You don't know anything. You don't know anything.
I be your best. I go carry you lost.
You say what?
I go carry you pass Ekpe.
You carry me pass Ekpe? Tian, Yahoo people.
See the see your people.
Yahoo people.
Which kind while about this one now?
What be my friend, I say I get important place where they go. You can't drop me for outside here.
Which kind passenger?
My friend, do this thing fasting.
God, why go carry this kind of man because?
Oh, that's I get important place to go. They tell me, God save you. God save you. I get fast. They stop motor. They don't do motor. They stop motor. Oh, God. Hey! That's how when they push this motor.
Bros, oh yeah, I beg now, just don't join me, man. Push the motor, I beg. Oga, what's it? Oga, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Oh my God.
Never. I do.
You dress for money, come up for us and then you get work.
Never be the cut of fresh. My brother work in the country. We just move.
My brother, where you go?
Eh, give us in a bag. For front, you're the front here. I say, man, I can't go.
For front here?
Eh, they can't go.
You cannot go. No problem. Now enter.
But the motor, you know, now they push now. My John.
My brother, I leave another motor. We cannot pay for. Enter. The motor will soon start. I say they do. Okay.
Correct.
Money go. My brother.
The caretaker go dey see me finish. Caretaker just scatter NEPA bill, say make me go pay the NEPA bill. Say as I not contribute for the NEPA bill, na me go NEPA office go pay. Say the 200 wey dey on top, me I carry am. If not be see finish. Yes, now see finish because if you say wetin I dey expect don come, you know we both tell me that kind thing. At least I
my brother, not be their fault.
Na see finish.
You know, now not get work for company, and they send message now.
Na no really play there. Na Buhari na play.
My brother, leave Buhari out of this.
They give us work. We work.
Forget that thing. Make you find work.
See, Nadia. See, Nadia for carry.
This place. Yes,
yes.
This place.
That front there.
My guy, park for you.
Now which I want to be this one?
Which one?
Yeah, be this one.
This one's Abi.
I will boot.
Open your boot.
Okay. So that mean they see finish.
More go. Go back. Park here. After more about water here now.
Don't be like you. That woman they say 180 for us.
Let me the wrong go. Hey! What's the happen?
What did they do this bro?
Man, at Christmas. Leave
Now Kosana mo.
Hello everyone, it's your boy Brother Solomon aka the Duplo Master. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Laugh Pills Comedy. Subscribe so that you won't miss any updates from me. I mean, subscribe. Yes.
Wait, this is the guy that impregnated me. This guy. This man. Hold him up. You see.
Subscribe to Laugh Pills Comedy.
Yes,
the red button, that's click on it. I'm there with the day again.